Hey friends, it's Randy Dawn and a marathon coach.
How's everyone doing?
We'd like to wish you a very happy 4th of July. We know you're probably seeing this a little bit later because we do pre-record them, but we hope you're having a wonderful holiday. We're up here at Hearthside Grove where we're going to spend the majority of our summer. We may venture out a little bit, but this is our home for the next 8 weeks, 10 weeks, something like that. And it's just been wonderful. The weather's been warm.
Yeah,
it's
for
definitely
Hearthside,
July.
it's warm. Yeah, it's July, which normally it's not this warm, but
No.
but still we've had a nice breeze off the bay, so it's been wonderful sitting here. So we're sitting on the marathon lot where we have coaches for sale. You can see the woods behind us. But you know, we're always showing you Hearthside Grove and the parks we go to. Well, Marathon does a lot of other parks and events, and this weekend Casey Hess is at Mountain Falls. So they are putting on a big marathon event, and he's got the brand new 1324, which if he doesn't sell it, is going to come to here next week. So we're excited about that.
That'll be a great coach.
That'll be a great coach. So yeah, if you haven't seen it yet, I think it's on our website, 1324. Beautiful coach, the new X3. So, so we just wanted to share with you some of the other things that Marathon does and some of the other parks they go to. So we're going to send it over to Casey to Mountain Falls, and you'll get to meet Casey. And he'll show you around, and hope you enjoy it.
Yeah, take it away, Casey.
Take it away, Casey.
Hey, Randy and Dawn. Casey Hess here at Marathon, and I am at the Mountain Falls Luxury Motor Coach Resort here in North Carolina today. Beautiful 4th of July. We're celebrating the Marathon Cars and Stripes weekend. As you can see, we have about 80 cars here. Anywhere from old 50s classics, 39 Ford, to new European cars. So we'll take a walk around. But what really stole the show is Marathon Coach 1324 and 1319. So we'll take a look at those as well. This is such a fun family weekend. I brought my family up as I work and show coaches this week. But as you can see, there's a lot of families here looking at cars. We have bouncy houses. We have a lunch going. The clubhouse is just hopping this weekend.
With your smile so warm.
The two things that really stole the show are the two marathon coaches. Behind me we have Coach 1319, which is a double slide H, as you can see. And then over here we have the brand new 1324 X3. It's been the hit of the show, both of these coaches. Everyone loves to see what Marathon Coach is really all about.
Hey, thanks, Casey, for sharing what you're experiencing up there in Mountain Falls. We appreciate it.
What a beautiful park. Wow. Wow, and the cars and the buses. Pretty cool.
That's a great
Pretty
place.
cool. So hope everyone has a safe 4th of July. And we really appreciate everyone watching our videos. We meet so many people here at the park that are watching us and following us. So keep watching Randy, Dawn, and a Marathon Coach.